The Mikoyan MiG-35, NATO reporting name, Fulcrum-F, is a Russian multi-role fighter that is a further development of the MiG-29 fighters. It is classified as a fourth-generation jet fighter by Mikoyan. The first prototype was a modification of the aircraft that previously served as a MiG-29 model demonstrator. In 2009, 10 prototypes had been built for field trials. Mikoyan first officially presented the MiG-35 internationally during the Aero India 2007 air show. The MiG-35 was officially unveiled when the Russian Minister of Defense. The single-seat version is designated MiG-35 and the two-seat version MiG-35. The fighter has vastly improved avionics and weapon systems, notably the new AESA radar and the uniquely designed optical locator system, relieves the aircraft from relying on ground-controlled interception systems and enables it to conduct independent multi-role missions. In May 2013, it was reported that Russia plans to order 37 aircraft. On August 17, 2013, the Russian Defense Ministry reported that the purchase worth 37 billion rubles, $1.1 billion, will be delayed until 2016. The delay was caused by state arms spending cuts. In August 2015, Colonel General Viktor Bondarev, commander of Russia's Air and Space Forces, stated that MiG-35 development is to be completed in 2017, entry into service is to follow in 2018, 170 aircraft are planned. Thank you.